Imagine walking into a home improvement store, eyes wide as aisles upon aisles of cabinets stretch out before you. Now picture a craftsman's workshop, the air thick with the scent of fresh-cut wood, a solitary cabinet taking shape under skillful hands. Today, we're diving into the world of cabinets, comparing store-bought options with their custom counterparts. In the red corner, we have store-bought cabinets. They're readily available and come in a variety of styles, sizes, and colors. You're in a rush to revamp your kitchen or bathroom. These are a quick and convenient solution. Of these, cabinets are pre-assembled or require very little assembly, saving you time and potentially the cost of hiring a professional for installation. However, with convenience often comes compromise. Store-bought cabinets are mass-produced, which means there's less room for customization. You might find a style you like, but it's not quite the right size, or the perfect size, but not quite the right color. And while these cabinets are generally cost-effective, they may not offer the same durability or unique aesthetic as a custom piece. In the blue corner, we have custom cabinets. These are the cream of the crop, meticulously crafted to your exact specifications. With custom cabinets, the sky's the limit in terms of design, materials, and finishes. You can tweak every inch to suit your space and style, from the cabinet size and layout to the type of wood and finish. Custom cabinets also tend to be sturdier, as they're often made from high-quality materials with superior craftsmanship. But it's important to remember that quality comes at a price. Custom cabinets can be significantly more expensive than store-bought ones, and they require a longer lead time to create and install. So, what's the verdict? The choice between store-bought and custom cabinets largely depends on your needs, budget, and timeline. If you're after convenience and affordability, store-bought cabinets might be your best bet. But if you're seeking a unique piece that fits your space like a glove and you're willing to invest more time and money, custom cabinets could be the way to go. To recap, store-bought cabinets offer speed, convenience, and cost-effectiveness, albeit with some limitations in terms of customization and durability. On the other hand, custom cabinets offer unparalleled design flexibility and quality, but require a larger investment of time and money. Whether you choose store-bought or custom cabinets, remember that both options can significantly enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. So weigh your options carefully and choose the one that best aligns with your vision and resources. Because at the end of the day, a well-organized, beautiful space can truly make a house feel like a home.